right. Good afternoon, folks. Don LeBlanc from VEWS. I'm sitting here in Portland, Maine with Cassie Jordan from TV Pipe Solutions, and we are here today to talk to you guys about IOP, or Internally Open Profile High Density Polyethylene. Welcome, Cassie.
Thank you, Don.
Absolutely.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for flying out here.
Portland is beautiful.
Absolutely.
I'm used to the other Portland.
Right, exactly. A lot closer to you.
Yeah, it is.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so manufactured by multiple people. Correct or not correct?
Actually manufactured by one manufacturing
See, I
plant.
didn't know that.
That's all right.
Is it just Firelight?
Yes.
Oh. So Whalelight doesn't make open profile.
Correct. It's because of the core tubes.
We can start that again then.
Okay.
So we should just call that out in the beginning, right?
What?
That it's manufactured by Spiralight, or you just...
I'm actually going to leave that blank.
You don't want it?
We should, because it's an ISCO product.
It is?
Mm.
Wow, okay, this side.
ISCO owns the patent.
For open profile.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that, but
Internally open profile.
Internally, so, but Spiralight manufactures it.
Correct.
Yeah, then we leave it blank, I guess. I didn't know that. No one at at ISCO's ever told me that.
See, again, I agree with you. It 100% should be something we talk about so much sooner in our presentations because it solves the DEP problem.
Because when I met with Corey Langston, he told me about it, but he was very clear, it was just a Poisson product.
Corey knew about it?
Yeah. But he didn't, he obviously, I don't even think, does he know that it's an ISCO patent product, or does he just think that they manufacture it?
I don't know.
See, he probably doesn't even know.
I never talked to Corey, so I don't know.
He's never told me it was owned by ISCO.
Interesting.
He just said they manufacture it, so I just thought it was a Spiralight product.
Nope. Spiralight manufactured it for us. I'm pretty.
Because he shows this in his presentation for Poisson, for Spiralight. He shows this as one of the profiles they manufacture,
We ought to get clear about.
but it doesn't
I'm
say
pretty sure we own the patent.
about ISCO owning it.
Don't
Okay,
quote me on
we'll start over.
that. All right.
Cassie got educated.
Okay. Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Don LeBlanc from VEWS. I'm sitting here today with Cassie Jordan from TV Pipe Solutions here in beautiful Portland, Maine. Welcome, Cassie.
Thanks, Don.
Absolutely. First time on the East Coast with me, anyway.
Yes, got to spend a whole week with Don. It's been great.
Absolutely. And we've had fantastic weather for culvert lining inspections and all kinds of good travel stuff together. But we're here today to talk about IOP, which is Internally Open Profile High Density Polyethylene Pipe, HDPE pipe. And Cassie, is this the first time you've really seen a sample of it?
Yeah, the first time I've seen a sample of it. I mean, I've been shown it in slides and installs. Visually, I've never been on one, so I've never seen this before.
Sure. This is something personally here on the East Coast in New England, where I'm from, that some of the DOTs and the DEPs have been really appreciating, because it's a 100-year plus service life product. The ability to give the fish and the aquatic life, salamanders, what have you, an acquiescent stream bed environment. So basically what that means is we're able to give them some internal corrugations, as you guys can see here, with these tubes, such that you can get silt material in here. We can weld baffles in here and everything. But the DP really likes it, Cassie, because it allows for, in those low flow events, kind of that natural stream action.
The ripple.
Right, exactly. So again, this is high density polyethylene, so you have the abrasion and corrosion resistant properties of high density polyethylene. And this is made pretty much in any diameter up to about 120 inch, I believe, at this moment in time.
Okay.
But we've used quite a bit of this in New England. For culvert lining. It has a relatively smooth OD, so not completely smooth.
I see that, yeah.
It makes a good reline pipe, Cassie,
A little
because
bump, but not much. Without
too
gonna get
much.
hung up on anything.
Correct.
Yeah.
And so we're able to give folks, especially DOTs and DEP, when they're very concerned about it, that natural flow kind of environment. And for me, this is something that we should talk about more often for not only lining, but for direct bury as well.
Yes.
And you think about when you replace a 48-inch culvert, and some of the DOTs want to put in, a culvert that's a 60-inch, so they're upsizing the culvert for future storm events, what have you, or they'll submerge it into the existing stream bed a little bit, so the fish can still make their way through. Well, there's no reason why we couldn't sell this product for direct bury as well.
Okay,
So, for example, you rip out a 6 foot, you're putting in an 8 foot all of a sudden, right? Because usually it's like 1.2 times the size of the hose pipe.
yeah.
Perfect solution.
This
for
is
that.
just a built-in aquatic center versus our solid wall options.
Precisely.
Yeah,
Precisely. So, most of our solid wall options are usually smooth on the inside. This is corrugated on the inside. So, a lot of you folks in the industry are familiar with the opposite of this, which would be corrugated like your standard drainage pipe, your N12 type pipe where you have a corrugated exterior with a smooth interior. This is like that, but imploded. It's basically the 180 of that. So you have the corrugated interior with a smooth exterior.
awesome.
Yeah.
So if you guys are interested in learning more about this, get a hold of Don, myself, really any of us that works with ISCO, because we're a representative of this product.
Anyone in the SnapTight team across the country can help you folks with sizing these up and working with you folks on aquatic life passage pipe.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
America's aging underground infrastructure will need to be dealt with in the upcoming years. Our mission with Reline Unknown is to help individuals and organizations gain insight into the pipe, reline, and infrastructure world and help process the key decision, reline or replace. Thank you for listening.